For an oldie like me, who spent many hours looking at microfilm and microfiche, screen by screen by screen, it's hard to believe how easy it is now to look at records that have been digitized and indexed so that we can have these records at our fingertips to attach to our family members, to find new people that we didn't know belonged in our family and add them in. They've really done wonderful things with this. Family Tree has been programmed to search those family search records to see if some of the records they can find there might pertain to our relative. They come up as record hints. At first, when I saw this death certificate as a record hint for Carrie E. Myers, I wondered why they thought this was her record, since her name is Carrie E. Jarman. When I looked at Show All for more information, I saw that her mother's maiden name on the death certificate is Page, and Carrie E. Jarman's mother's maiden name is Page. I see that the death record is December 5th, 1961 in San Diego, and her birth information on that record is 1877. When I go back to Carrie, I can see that her birth is 1877 and her death is December 5th, 1961 in San Diego. So I'm thinking that Carrie married a Myers, and when she died, her last name was Myers. Also, a big clue is that I remember my father talking about his Aunt Carrie Myers. Family lore and family information is very valuable in genealogy. I'm going to go back to Carrie's page. I see that one record hint was brought up from Family Search, but I would like to check Family Search to see if other records might be there that it didn't find. When I get to the Family Search page, it automatically fills in information that I'm searching for: the name, the place, the date of birth, give or take 2 years, the place of death, give or take 2 years. It does not fill in the parents. I could fill that in if I wanted to. But the information from here brings up 2 records that I think might pertain to Carrie E. Jarman. One is a marriage record, and the marriage record is for a child, William J. Myers. She is listed as the mother to this child, and her spouse, William, is listed as the father to this child. Also, I see another marriage record with a child, Frank Myers. Here again, she is listed as the mother of Frank on the marriage record, and William J. Myers is listed as the father of Frank. So I'm going to click on this index page. From there, I can view this record, which is a marriage record, to verify that everything that is there is correct. I like to diminish this part of the page so I can see more of the record. I saw that this record is for William J. Myers and Doris A. Stacho, but it doesn't tell me anything about her parents or his parents. So I forwarded to the next page where I can see that detail, where the parents are William J. Myers and Carrie E. Jarman. So that's very interesting and very good information. I'm going to go out of this page and say, yes, I would like to attach this record to Carrie Jarman. So this marriage record for William, their son, shows Carrie E. Jarman as the mother. So I will attach that record because it shows relationship between Carrie and her son. Next, it wants to know if I would like to add the spouse to Family Tree. He is showing up here on their son's marriage record. I would like to attach that. The system looked for William J. Myers somewhere else in the tree, did not find him, so it's allowing me to create this record. I'm going to go ahead and click that he is deceased, judging by the age of his son, and continue. And I'm going to attach this marriage record of his son to him as well. It proves relationship. Now I would like to add William J. Myers to the tree. It searches for William J. Myers, Jr., and does not find him, but it does put in his year of birth. It does not put in his birthplace. Maybe I'll go out to the image, see if I can find his birthplace. I found more information on the next page. I'll go there. Birthplace, Kansas. So I'll close this record and I will put in that his birthplace is Kansas. And I click on the standardized format of that. Now I will click Create this new person. I want to attach this marriage record of William Jr. to the name I just created on Family Tree. Now I will show you how to add the spouse and the parents of the spouse. The person who was in focus position was Carrie Myers, and it shows everyone related to her that was in that marriage record. So I want to put the focus person to be William. I'm going to change the focus person, William Myers Jr. Now, with him in focus position, it asked me if I would like to add this spouse of his that was on the record. Yes, I would. I should have checked her birthplace while I was there. I'll click on Image. Forward to the next page. Doris Stacho's birthplace is Massachusetts. So I will fill that in. Sometimes the index comes up with the information you need, and sometimes you have to search the image. I will mark that she is living because she was born less than 110 years ago, and I need to find out first of all if she was deceased. For now, I will mark that she is living and create the new person. I will also add the marriage information over to the record on the tree and attach. Now I will put Doris in focus position so I can add her parents. Add Marin or Marin. And it says, reason you believe this person is deceased. His daughter was born in 1913, so he would have been born more than 110 years ago. I think I'll copy that for the mother. And attach this marriage record to the father. Add and deceased, paste, and say her. And now I will attach this marriage record to Mildred. I'm going to go to William J. Myers in the tree to find Carrie again. Now that I've added more information to Carrie E. Jarman, like who she married and what her name was after she was married, more record hints pop up. But I could continue to go to Family Search Records and search there. The record that I did attach shows up with a tree there showing that this record has been attached to someone in Family Tree, and it matches the card number for my person. This record has not been attached to Carrie in the tree, and I could click on this and attach this record and add Frank in there as a child. So you can see that searching Family Search sometimes will bring up records that are not found on the record hints. Also, I would like to show you another way of searching people on Family Search, and that's called the Parent Search. So I'm going to click on the father, being William J. Myers, and the mother I'm searching for is Carrie E. Jarman. Now I want to take out everything else in my parent search. I'm going to take out birth information. I'm going to take out a name. And I want to search to see if anyone comes up with these two people listed as parents. So I'm going to click Update My Search. With those two people listed as parents, I see that William Myers and Carrie E. Jarman is listed in a marriage record for William. We found that one. In a marriage record for Frank, we found that one. But they said that there is a Charles Edward Myers, and that his father is William J. Myers and his mother Perry E. Jarman. It makes me wonder if that Perry has been misindexed. So I will look at the actual record and see what I think. William J. Myers is the father, and that is not a P, but a C-A-R-R-I-E. That is Carrie E. Jarman. So that record does belong to them. This son does belong to them. So going back to the record hints, I am going to click on this indexed record. And I will attach this record to William J. Myers and Carrie E. Myers with now a child by the name of Charles Edward Myers. Next, I want to go to Ancestry.com and see what they have on this family there. But I will do that in the next video.